All right, your next witness.
Your Honor, Mr. Depp calls Candie Davidson Goldbronn, who is the corporate designee of the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
All right, and that's by deposition, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Goldbronn, is it your understanding that you're here to testify today on behalf of the Children's Hospital?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. So as of June 2018, had any payments been made by Ms. Heard to the Children's Hospital in connection with the $3.5 million pledge, aside from the original $100,000 check from Mr. White in August of 2016?
Yes, there was a payment, a gift on January 9th of 2018.
And what amount is that gift that you're referring to?
$250,000.
Okay, and was that gift made by Ms. Heard or on Ms. Heard's behalf?
By Ms. Heard.
Okay, and what are you basing that statement on?
By the check that we received from Fidelity. Fidelity charity that came to Children's Hospital.
What is this document?
The letter to Mr. White from myself inquiring about further installments on the pledge that had not been fulfilled.
And why did you write this to Mr. White on June 14th, 2019?
I was trying to figure out if there were any other payments coming from Mr. White to fulfill the pledge, because Children's Hospital Los Angeles had not received any other correspondence from him.
And what is this document?
It is a letter to Ms. Gottlieb from myself on behalf of Children's Hospital Los Angeles, inquiring about additional pledge payment installments.
This letter appears to be directed to Miss Amber Heard, care of Jody Gottlieb. Is that correct?
Correct.
Who's Jody Gottlieb?
In the Children's Hospital Los Angeles records, Jody Gottlieb was our contact for Miss Amber Heard.
Ms. Goldbronn, why did you send this letter to Ms. Heard and Ms. Gottlieb?
I was trying to see if the pledge was going to be fulfilled or not.
In your experience, is it common practice for anonymous donors, when making donations, to in one paragraph state that they wish to remain anonymous, and in the very next paragraph identify themselves?
Yes.
That is common?
It is common for donors to want to remain anonymous publicly, but allow the charity to know who they are.
Between June 2018 and the dates on which you sent the letters to Ms. Heard and Mr. White in June of 2019, were any additional funds received from Ms. Heard?
No.
Okay, so as of June 2018, a total of $250,000 had been received as far as the Children's Hospital is concerned from Ms. Heard. And that was the same amount that had been donated a year later in June of 2019. Is that accurate?
Correct.
As of the date of this deposition, March 30th, 2021, how much in total has Ms. Heard donated to the Children's Hospital?
For this particular gift? I mean, in her lifetime?
From 2016 to present.
$250,000.
Ms. Goldbronn, you recall we were speaking about this letter a few minutes ago?
Correct.
All right, and this was a letter that you sent to Ms. Hurd, correct?
Correct.
Did you ever get a response to this letter?
No.
As of October of 2018, how much money had Ms. Hurd directly donated to the Children's Hospital?
$250,000.
As of March 30th.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the end of that.
Sorry, I just realized. You said October 2018?
Correct.
Okay, yeah. $250,000.
Okay. As of March 30th, 2019, how much money had Ms. Hurd directly donated to the Children's Hospital?
$250,000.
What is your understanding of the length of time over which Ms. Hurd pledged the gift of $3.5 million to Children's Hospital?
There was no date arrangement with Ms. Hurd to have this pledge paid off in a particular time.
If Ms. Hurd were to pay this, the rest of the $3.5 million in 2 years or 5 years, would Children's Hospital welcome that?
CHLA welcomes every and any donation that comes its way.
Has Amber Heard's pledge of the $3.5 million to Children's Hospital expired, to your knowledge?
Not that I'm aware of, no. It has not expired.
All right, thank you.